Hello, good evening, friends. This is from Research at Profit. I am Kumar, and I am going to show you how our commodity calls were done the performance on September 2016, and I can check this date. Last trading date was I am recording this call on 18th of Sept. That is today is Sunday, and we can check the last performance. That is Friday trades 16th of September. What was the trades and how was the call generated in our website? And we can just check the calls which were successful and what was the stop loss triggered or the calls were successful. We can check by one commodity. First, like to introduce to our website. This is researchtradeprofit.com, and we are the persons where I have designed this website for the retail traders and intraday traders. It will be very useful for like analyzing the market, and you'll be getting a clear picture where you want to exit and where you want to enter the market. Here I will show how you can log in the our website. So this is our home page. First thing you have to, if you are new to this website and you want to subscribe, we are not giving any free service for this. We are charging some minimal amount fees, and it's really minimal amount fees. You can go for products. You can check our products, what are products we are giving. This is our service. Just a moment. Yeah, we are giving two types of products are there. The one is monthly plan and a weekly plan. This is for monthly plan 1000 rupees, and weekly plan you can go for just 300 rupees. This is like very affordable price. You are getting such a really nice calls, and I will show how our calls will work out in this 300 plan and 5000 plan. 1000 rupees 1 month you will be getting access to check our all the datas and all our research calls you can access for 1 month. That is gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, aluminum, crude, natural gas, nifty, bank nifty, and other nifty 50 stocks in futures and cash market as well. Here it is this is the pay now. You can just pay the amount and get subscribed for 1 month package. Here it will ask for your name, email id and mobile number. Once you fill this detail, you can click on next. It will take to your bank detail. For example, just a moment. See, suppose if you click on like this, entering your details, you are paying to research at profit. This is the reason for payment. It is monthly plan of 1000 rupees, and you can make a payment through your debit card, net banking or credit card. If you just go to any options, it will take to your bank link. This is your bank links, and these are the banks we are tie up with. You can just check any bank and you can just transfer your funds. You can transfer the funds. Once you transfer the funds successfully, you will be getting a mail of a login ID and password, and from there you can register here. This is the registration form. Here you can make a sign up. Simple and very I always love to keep things very simple. And this is my email ID, and which I have already logged in. I have already created a registered membership here. Here it is how you have to log in. Your email ID, password, and will ask for reset password. So if you fill this form, so once you transfer the fund and sign up, then we will be giving access to login, and this is the login page. You can just go to, once you are successfully transfer the fund, it will take to our admin page, and this is the paid client version. In this, the first thing is you have to click for here intraday levels, and for example, if you want to trade in MCX, you can just click MCX safe entry. This is our MCX safe entry page. Here the thing is, this is for this data you will be charging 1000 rupees to access this data. This is the main data, and this is very powerful entry and exit levels which you have never seen before, and I believe this type of levels you will not be getting anywhere else for such a low rate. That is just 1000 rupees per month. And let's start with see, I'll show how you to read these levels. mm, it was a sorry, September 2016 15th was the date. Okay, this is the data. This in this data I have taken and generated a call for next date, that is on 16th. For example, if you want to trade in 16th, here the date should be 15th. If it's 15th, then the data is ready to trade for 16th. So let's start with shall we start with first we'll start with the crude oil. You here you have to type the script. Okay, crude oil, and here it is, crude oil. Yeah, September contract. Yes, here it is, September contract. It's scrolling down. Better I will go with the other script. COPP copper. Okay, we'll start with the copper only. Okay, yeah, this is the copper levels, and now it is running November contract copper. So here it is showing this is our buy entry. If market, this is the first condition. I will be explaining so many conditions, how to like particularly see the levels, and that will be teaching for only paid members. Here I will show this is the buy entry 322.50 paisa, and sell entry is around 324.10 paisa, and you can see the stop loss 322.50 paisa buy, 321.70 paisa stop loss. That is just 80 paisa stop loss you are entering into copper. And if you see the target, it is almost 1 rupees. So 80 paisa target, and 1 rupee is the target for the first target, and the second target is it's almost 1 rupee 30 paisa. And in this sell call 324.10 paisa, 323 5 paisa first target, that is in sell call 1 rupee 5 paisa is a target, and stop loss is near 80 paisa, same thing, 80 paisa risk, and 1 rupee target, 1 rupee 5 paisa target. So let us check with the copper. mm, Copper, yeah, this is the chart for the day. This was on this chart is, you can see the rate below just my cursor, 16th September 10 o'clock. This was a candle generated on 16th September 10 o'clock. This is a 5-minute candle. You can see this 5 minutes candle I have opened, and this is the intraday chart. Okay, and our levels were like 322.50 paisa buy, and 324.10 paisa sell. So let's check what was the closing and opening price. Yeah, closing price was 324.30 paisa, and open is 323.40 20 paisa. 323.40 is the close, and the open is 323.20 paisa. That means it is not generated either, it is not near buy levels nor sell levels. So here you can do, once suppose if it comes, first thing is first whatever the levels first generate, that will be like almost accuracy call. See, first sell was near 324.10 paisa, and 322.10 paisa was the buy levels. So let's check what was the low for this. 323.5 paisa is the low, so buy is not generated. And 324.10 paisa, I believe 320, yeah, 324.10 paisa was the sell levels. Where is the sell levels? Yeah, this is a here in this candle sell call was generated. This is the level where sell call was generated at 324.10 paisa, and day high is, this candle high is 324.25 paisa. So this is the levels where sell call was generated. You can clearly check it. Here it was opened, and said it has not come to 321, where you can buy call was not generated. 322 something was the buy levels. 322. mm, yeah, 320 to 50 levels it has not come, so buying is not generated. First selling was generated at 324 10 paisa. 324 25 was a day high. So if you short put a selling order at this level, and you can would have waited, slowly it has come down, and our target was 323 5 paisa. 324 10 paisa sold, and 323 10 paisa was the target. What was this candle low? 323 45 paisa. Oh, stop loss, I mean target was not reached, and we were not exited from that position. Still selling order was there, selling position. So yeah, again it came down till 323 45, but 323 10 paisa it has not come. That was our target. 321, yeah, 320 323 5 paisa, correct. It has not come that levels, so we can check this level. It was a time around, sell call was generated at the time of 12 o'clock 15 minutes, and what was the low? 323 5 paisa 50 paisa. Yes, see, this is the exit levels. At what time? Around 2 o'clock. Yeah, 210, correct. 210 was a 210 215 time. Target came till, yeah, 215 target came 322 95 paisa. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to tell you. This was a target, sell call generated, and target was reached. Second target was 322 75 paisa. 322 70 here. Here this is the candle. 322 75 paisa is the day low, and after that it came down. So this was a sell call generated, and both the set targets were done. I hope you got the call. Sell call was generated, and at the same time you can like lower levels you can again buy. This is the uniqueness of this software. In this website we are going to give you both the side, lower levels to buy and higher levels to sell. That will be very useful technique I am using for this trading. We are not buying at higher levels and we are not selling at lower levels. We are buying at lower levels and we are again selling at higher levels. This is the uniqueness of these charts. See, here I can show you 320 to 50 paisa buy. Again 320 to 50 paisa levels we have given a buy call. So buy call was again generated. See, you can see this chart 320 to 50 paisa. So low came till 320 to 15 paisa. You can see sell call was generated. It came down, and this was the buy call generated again here. 320 to 50 paisa was the buying levels, but it came down till 320 to 15 paisa. That means 35 paisa downside from our buy levels. Need not to worry, my dear friends. We'll always trade with stop loss, so it won't be having much risk. If it's stop loss trigger, then that day it was like very bad luck, we can say. But almost most of the times market will play both the sides, where you can utilize the trend and you can just enter into the trade. And this was what, let us check what was happened on that day. Buying call was generated, and you can see here 320 to 50 paisa buy call, and 323 55 paisa. 323 55 paisa was a target. We can check here what was the day high. 323 20 paisa. Oh my god, stop, target is not done. But not to worry, we have bought at somewhere at these levels. 323, yeah, 323 50 paisa. This was our buy levels. This is the levels where we got a buy call in this candle, but our target was 323 55 paisa. Let us check what happened that day. It came till again high 323 20 paisa. 323 20 paisa was the high, but our high target was 323 55 paisa. Again came down. Oh, what was this low? Okay, 322 35 paisa is the low. 322 40 paisa is the low. Not to worry. Again came down, 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 down. Again is trying to jump up. Let us see what happened. Oh, here 323 50 paisa. Friends, I hope you are able to see these levels. 323. Yes, this level sell call target was done 323 65 paisa, and our target was 323 55 paisa, and next target was near 323 80 paisa. 323. Wow, he had already broken this level. And what was our stop loss for a sell again? Sell call was again at 324 10 paisa. See, again sell call was generated 324 40 paisa. Sell call was again generated. Let us check with the stop loss. What was our stop loss? 324 90 paisa was our stop loss. Okay, what was this high? For 70 paisa, 323 70 paisa. Two times it made a high. 75 paisa also it made a high. But stop loss it is not triggered. You can see this level 324 75 paisa was the day high. 324 90 paisa was our stop loss. Again stop loss is not triggered, and our target was 323 5 paisa. Let us check what was the low. 323 90 paisa. Okay, 323 80 paisa. 323 75 paisa was the closing levels. 323 80 paisa was the day closing. So you can check this. Three times we got a call. We got a call generated on this date, and two times both the targets were done, and the third time also sell call was generated, but the stop loss is not triggered, and it came to lower levels, but stop loss was not triggered. I mean, target was not triggered because of shortage of market closing time. So this is how our calls were used to generate, and in this like it is fundamental, or we are not following any fundamental news. We are not following anything. We are just following the levels. We are just following the numbers. I always believe commodity market is just number based game. There is nothing like there will be lot of correlations between numbers and the movement. This is a formula which I have generated with my efforts, and this is not just my efforts. That are the books I have written, and I have taken some research analysis, and I have done this website for you. Like, will be very useful. It will be very useful for you. So one more I have, we can check for a nickel for the day. Nickel, let us check what happened that day. Nickel buy was generated 644 5 paisa, and sell was generated at 653 70 paisa. Let us check what was the nickel movement on that day. So this is the candle for nickel. This was the opening levels. What is the opening levels? 650 51 650 50 paisa is the open, and open low is very near to that, and our sell was generated at, let us close this copper, it's of no use now, we have already checked the levels, and nickel levels you can check here. Nickel buy was generated 644, and sell was 653 75 paisa. Let us check what happened. 653, let us check this high 652 50 paisa. Oh, sell is not generated. You can check this, sell is not generated these levels. So from these levels it has broken down like anything. Buying is not generated, and it came down. You can see this was our opening levels, but it went somewhat high, but again it came down, down, down. Okay, we'll check this day low. 644 was our buy levels, and this is low is 646, 645, 640. This level I can check 645 30 paisa. So sell call target, I mean buy was not generated at these levels. 644 40 paisa is the low. Let us check these levels. 644 5 paisa was our buy level. You can see this 644 40 paisa. Okay, almost our buy call was generated at this level 644 5 paisa. 644 5 paisa was our buy levels, but it came till 644 40 paisa. Okay, just we missed with 40 paisa. 35 paisa downside it has not come, but it was the levels where buy was generated. And you can see that the day low was itself 644 40 paisa. And let us check what was happened on the next moment. See, this is the levels by where buy is generated, and slowly it has went up, and our target was where target 650 50 paisa. 650 50 paisa. What is the day high? 648 648 648 651. Yes, here our first target was done, and let us check what is the second target. 652. Okay, 652 652. Yeah, you can check this, friends. This was levels where sell call was generated, and almost 650 to 20 paisa. 650 to 15 paisa was the target. You can check this level 650 to 60 paisa it went. So second target was also done in buy call, but we just missed with 35 paisa lower levels at buying levels. So that is not a big issue. 50 paisa in nickel, it is not a big movement. So 50 paisa here and there you can place your orders. We are not suggesting like exactly that level has to come. Whenever you are trying to buy, you can buy 50 paisa higher levels of both these levels, and whenever putting a stop loss, you can put 1 or 2 rupees below these levels. And same way you can put a selling orders below this 150 paisa below the selling levels. And stop loss, I will always recommend you to put at least 2 rupees upside or downside the what actually we are giving here. It will be very useful for you, because 95% times this is the levels where stop loss may get trigger and it may bounce back. So I always suggest you to at least maintain some difference between the stop loss and the actual stop loss and your stop loss. So this was the two calls generated, and I just cross checked with the two calls. So I hope you will be very excited to see this type of movement and this type of calls. And I'm sure you'll be more excited when you subscribe and you become a paid member. We will be giving you complete support, and you can contact me at any time. This is my mobile number which I have mentioned in this website. This is my number. My name is Kumar. Anytime you can call us, and we'll be like suggesting you on market movement. And whenever you are outside, if you just call and ask us, we can help you on which call was generated today, and we'll be updating you on real time. So I hope you enjoyed the levels, and I guess you have learned something new and something unique in this market. And I always suggest you to keep watching these videos. I'll be posting in next in few days, and you can share this video with your friends who is willing to learn something technical analysis on to your friends. And I hope it will be useful for them as well. And I always thankful for you to watching this video. Thank you for your time spending for us. And please don't forget to subscribe. It's just by 1000 rupees 1 month you will be getting this type of calls. And in next video I will be showing some more research calls, and I will be just cross checking other stocks how the performance has done with the levels. And hope this was a very useful video. And thank you so much. Keep in touch. Do call me. And please don't get to subscribe. It's very cheap price, just 1000 rupees per month. It's very really very cheap price. You are getting such a beautiful levels. And thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Happy trading.